Hello, good afternoon. You're watching Markets at Noon on ET now, and it's the day of the end of the financial year, end of the week, end of the quarter as well, and it looks like we're going to end in the green. The year has been very, very good for the Nifty. We've managed to gain almost 28% in the year gone by, and 1% move has actually come in just today. We're sitting at the highest point of the trading session right now. 22,344 is where we are at. The Bank Nifty too was participating at least to start off the trading session. There were names like ICICI Bank, SBI, HDFC Bank that were powering ahead, and that's the reason that index is up almost 500 points, so gain of almost 1% there. Mid-cap was a bit sluggish. In fact, for a large part of the trading session, it was trading in the red. Let's see whether it's managed to recover. Yes, there's minor recovery at play as far as the mid-cap index is concerned, 0.4%, and the small-cap index was outperforming, and I'm guessing that really continues. There's a gain of around 0.4% there. But talking about the individual movers then, you have, VIP Industries, which is firing away in the trading session. Yes, there was a new CEO which took leadership, but more importantly, there was an analyst meet that was held after a very long time, and quite positive commentary coming in with respect to growth. They are targeting 15 to 20% growth over the course of next 5 years, and that's really got the street excited. A 13% move on VIP Industries. We're also watching out for Bajaj twins. Both Bajaj Finance as well as FinServe are in focus today. A good gain of 3 to 4%. That's because perhaps the housing finance arm of the company is likely to come up with an IPO, and that value unlocking is something that the street is watching out for. We're also watching out for latent view in the trading session today. The acquisition has taken place, Decision Point Analytics, and as a result of that, we saw an up move of 4% on that stock. Walcott is reacting positively to the QIP that it managed to convert and close. Marquee names have actually checked into the counter as well, and the company says that they're going to repay debt as part of the utilization of the QIP proceeds, so that stock is higher in the trading session. ICICI Securities continues to make headlines. Remember that entire flip-flop that has been happening around delisting? 4 other shareholders have approved that. Let's see how this story pans out. Chalet Hotel is the other one on my radar. There's a QIP expected of almost 1,200 crores. So ahead of that, that stock is holding on to gains almost 2.5–3%. Alkem Laboratories, on the other hand, is coming under pressure. The last time I checked, it was down about 3%, so it's recovered from the lows of the trading session. One of its unit in Baddi has actually received 10 observations from US FDA, so clearly pressure and problem there for Alkem Labs. The stock in the red right now. Aegis Logistics, that one was firing away in the trading session, up almost 12%. That after IFL has actually initiated coverage on the counter. They are talking about a target price of 500 rupees, which means a 60 rupees gain from the current level. It's already gained 12%, but that's the word coming in from IFL Finance. We're also watching out for GeoCL Corporate today in the trading session. It's managed to monetize land over 3,000 crore rupees. The market capitalization is less than 2,000. So big gains coming in there. No surprise, and the stock is up 17%. Manorama Industries, another small cap company, low on market cap, but of course the doubling of the cocoa prices that we have seen recently is having a rub-off impact on Manorama Industries, because it's one of the manufacturers of cocoa butter as well. We're watching out for other gainers like Century Textiles, Dilip Bilcom, as well as Relaxo. All of these names will come up for you on the screen. A gain of anywhere between 5 to 10% on such names. And NBFCs too are shining away. You have, of course, Piramal Enterprises reacting to the news flow of the AIF regulation changes. India Shelter, India Bulls Housing Finance, these are some of the other names which are gaining ground. So quite a bit of vibrant market we have at our hands, Vinny. And looks like we are going to close FY24 in style.